RestoPros is a restoration company. So we mainly deal with water damage, fire, smoke, mold, just in emergency response and things that people are experiencing and disruption from every single day. We have, in the last 2 years, we've grown by almost 100 locations, which is very exciting. So we had 2 front runners. MightyCall was one of them, and we got a kind of a line-by-line comparison of what the offerings were, what the options were, what the price points were. We also extended that to the franchise network, so it wasn't a mandated situation. We wanted to give them the ability to choose what they wanted. And just organically, the vast majority saw what the pros and cons were and moved towards MightyCall. What happened is we had one of what we would call they're definitely one of our high performers that started using the system. And then that location grew. It's one of our largest locations currently. They were the ones that were really using MightyCall far above and beyond. They were doing the call recording, which in turn was helping them out with capturing conversations, whether it be with customers or insurance adjusters, also with the on-call and the way that our franchises are set up. Instead of moving devices around, it's very easy to be able to have an application on your phone and kind of manage who's monitoring what and when. When it comes to me and why I'm recommending MightyCall, the customer support level has been amazing. Vishal is the representative that I go to for anything that I need. In some companies, they don't allow that, right? They want you to send in a support ticket. You have to go through certain channels or, heaven forbid, call an 800 line and try to figure that out. Anytime that I've ever emailed him, he's been super responsive, attentive. He has not minded me even putting him in direct contact with one of our franchisees to help iron out a problem or answer a question. It's just been easy. I think it's just having the call routing, basically they have had an option to be able to have like a voiceover, right? You call the number and you get to customize, what that says, what that message is. You get to say, what you want the customers to hear as they're ringing in. You get to decide if you're going to have, certain things route to certain places. It's just easy to navigate and to customize to your own location. We do receive a lot of text messages. So one thing we've been able to do is make sure that we just meet the compliance standards of what MightyCall and the carriers are looking for. It's a very easy turn on. So then it works the exact same way as receiving text or calls as it would in a regular device that you pick up from a phone carrier. MightyCall can do that as well. I think is huge. So highly recommend MightyCall for the ease of communication and the options it gives you.